Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Excel. There was a problem with the clipboard while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to close any Excel instances or processes. But before we can go on with that, you need to make sure that all your spreadsheet or all your workbooks on the Excel has been saved. So you need to make sure of that, and then go to the Windows search bar and type task MGR, which stands for Task Manager. Now go ahead and click on that under the best match. Maximize the Task Manager window. Then here in the search bar, simply type Excel. You'll find Microsoft Excel, so make a right click and then select End Task. Now close the Task Manager window, and after you have completely closed any Excel instances or processes in the Task Manager, just try to open your Excel workbook or spreadsheet and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is we can restart the Excel application. So how can we do that? Open Excel. Or if your Excel application has already been opened with your workbook or with your spreadsheet, then just simply click on this close icon and then open Excel again. And by that, you have just restarted the Excel application. So also try on that. And for the next method is we can also use or do the open and repair tool, which is a built-in tool in your Microsoft Excel. So how can you perform that? You will find this file tab at the top left corner, which is the very first tab right here. Click on that. Then here you'll find this open option, which is the third option on the left pane. Click on open. Click on this browse option. And here you need to simply look for your spreadsheet or your workbook or your work for the Microsoft Excel. Then click on this drop down arrow next to open. And here you'll find this option open and repair. Click on that. Now this window will appear. And you just have to simply click on this repair button that will appear on the window, Microsoft Excel window. So once you have clicked on the repair button, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins, because in some cases that the add-ins can cause the issue. Click on this file tab at the top left corner. Scroll down in the list of options on the left pane. Click on more. Click on options. Then here you'll find add-ins. Click on that. Then you'll find manage. Click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. Then here you'll find all the add-ins. So what you can do is you need to uncheck all of these boxes to disable the Excel add-ins, and finally click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our windows. So for that, go to the shortcut, press the Windows key and the letter V key together, and here just simply click on this clear all option. And after that, just open Excel and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.